Well, it is Alberta, so what do we have today? It is snow. Look at it, Jersey. It's snow. What do you see, a rabbit? Oh yeah, that's that rabbit out there. He's in the corner there, nesting in the corner. I know. Wow. Let's check out the back. Gotta love it in Alberta. We're always early when it comes to snow. Get it from the mountains, so. That it is. Lightly falling. In the back, I still get that staging up. But let's do this little word today. And what shall it be? It's the word diligent. I looked it up. I said, well, there's a word I can do. And we've got a few scriptures, so we'll share them with you today. I'll just set this phone up right here. And here is the Greek. And the English element, of course, is simply diligence. So we have, for the concordant scripture, Romans 12:8, or the entreater in entreaty, the sharer with generosity, the presider with diligence, the merciful one with glee. Romans 12:11, in diligence, not slothful, fervent in spirit, slaving for the Lord. 2 Corinthians 7:11, for lo, this same thing, for you to be made sorry according to God, how much it produces in you of diligence, nay, defense, nay, resentment, nay, fear, nay, longing, nay, zeal, nay, avenging. In everything you commend yourselves to be pure in this matter. 2 Corinthians 7:12, consequently, even if I write to you, it is not on account of those who injures, of the ones who injures, but neither on account of the one being injured, but on account of manifesting to you your diligence for our sake in God's sight. 2 Corinthians 8:7 and 8. But even as you are superabounding in everything, in faith and word and knowledge and all diligence, and the love that flows out of you into us, that you may be superabounding in this grace also. I am not saying this as an injunction, but through the diligence of others, testing also the genuineness of this love of yours. 2 Corinthians 8:16 and 17. Now thanks be to God, who is imparting the same diligence for you to the heart of Titus, for he indeed receives the entreaty, yet being inherently more diligent, of his own accord he came out to you.